Hey, what's going on, humans? Hopefully you're having a good day. I know I am. So for right now, we're going to be taking a look at the Power Rangers Lightning Collection, Zeo Ranger Gold. Now, off the bat, I just want to say that this is another knockout of the park for Hasbro. Now, this is the re-release Wave 5 version. He did come out about a year ago with the San Diego Comic-Con pack, the Jason 2-pack. It came with him and a powered up Red Ranger from Mighty Morphin. So this is a different variant. I'll get into why, but I think it's the same mold, same design and everything. It's just repackaged for us in a normal release, which I'm really glad Hasbro did that. So now everybody now has a chance to get this guy, because a lot of people couldn't last year, which I appreciate them doing that. But since it's Lightning Collection, you already know what it is. It's still the standard articulation, but only just differently on a new mold. So let's get over it. So head's on a ball joint. You can look all the way up. You can look all the way down. You can bend them back that far. And bend them forward. He's got upper torso swivel. And he's got nice ratchet bends at his shoulders. He's got a nice bend at his elbows. And it does have good butterfly joints. So, can have him close them in together. Or have him open it out, poke his chest out. As far as his legs will go out. He's got double joints at the knee, double bend. Got a thigh swivel. And foot pivot, and ankle pivot, excuse me. And all in all, I just gotta say this guy came out perfectly. I love him. I love playing with him. He's really nice. All in all, really good figure to have. I like the detail on him. The paint, otherwise, he's actually kind of golden still. They did use, I think they used the same gold that I think was on the Dragon Shield, or the White Ranger's armor. But I admit it could be used a little more gold. I mean, it doesn't show it on camera, but the gold bands on the legs are a little bit different from the ones on the up here, like on the chest. So nothing a Gundam marker can't fix. But now coming on to his accessories, which here's how this is how he's different from the San Diego Comic-Con release. He comes with two hands, closed fist, and a open palm, which he has one of the two up here. Oops, didn't mean to flick it off. He comes with the power staff, which it's in this mode where usually this would open up, but this would come down. But this is supposed to be closed. I guess it's not that big a deal, honestly. I mean, he only comes with one, so I guess they wanted to put in a new weird variant. But I would prefer the sucker to be closed, but it's okay. Comes with a little effect piece for it. So you can plug this in. Well, I'll just wrap it around. So you get something like that going on. And the major incentive they add for you to get this figure is because you get a Trey head instead of a Jason head, which I think is a perfect thing, because he was the original Gold Ranger in Zeo before passing on the power to Jason. And this is actually one of the better head sculpts that we've gotten on this line. It actually does look like Trey a whole lot. Well, his actor. He's got the scar on him. And it looks nice. Oop. Make sure I didn't lose that. So let me do something. Let's see. And let's see, we can do this. I think that works. So I think that looks good on him. And he looks good in the suit. But you know, even though it doesn't come with a Jason head, if you did pick up the Mighty Morphin Red Ranger from Lightning Collection, you can still use the Jason head. And it looks fine on him. So yeah, you got that look. So yeah, you don't lose out. But that's only if you bought the Red Ranger, which I'm assuming everybody did. Let me get him into a quick pose real quick. And he poses up really nice. I do love the way this guy came out. I would say he's my second favorite of this wave. Wes would be in first place, of course, and Ranger Slayer in third, and then when Billy gets here, I'll find out who's the best of the wave. So yeah, I like the way he looks. Yeah, all in all, he's a really good figure. So now let's stand him up. Well, let's make him look presentable. And we're going to compare him to other figures and stuff. Let's do that. Now, here he is next to MMPR Red. See how they look. Here he is next to Zeo Ranger 3 Blue. As the only two Zeo Rangers are out for the Lightning Collection right now. Here he is next to his Legacy figure counterpart from the Bandai era. And as you see, what I'm talking about with the staff, they're actually supposed to be switched. So this head is supposed to be right here, whereas this one's supposed to be here, and that has to be slide down, whereas that one is. I think you just have to swap the tops, even though they're different lines. I don't know, I might do something like that, I might not. But you can tell night and day between these guys. The proportions are so much better with him compared to this one. And for the heck of it, the Gold Rangers from Lightning Collection, Beast Morphers Gold, and Dino Charge Gold. That's a good looking gold squad. Compared to other lines, here he is next to a Marvel Legends Taskmaster and SHF Kamen Rider Vulcan. Other than that, that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you liked it. Hope you helped you out, excuse me. And hopefully you humans have a good day too. Take it easy out there.